it's Jolly Surf, and today I'll be sharing with you guys my 5 all-time favorite books. So starting off with my fifth favorite book, it's Wizards of Waverly Place Haywire. So I know it's not a book, but it's a TV show, and it has two parts. The first part is about how Alex went to go in a restaurant with her friends for dinner, and she takes an elf, and the elves are really allergic to chocolates, and there is a chocolate fountain and how everything messes up. And the second part is about how they get a pet dragon who looks like a dog but is actually a dragon. So yeah, and it's really amazing. It was really amazing to read it. So yeah, that's why it's my fifth favorite book of all time. So now my fourth favorite book, it's Famous Fi on a Treasure Island. So in this book there are like 5 characters, which are Dick, Julian, Anne, Georgina, and Timothy, her dog. And in this book, Georgina owns a island, and it has a castle, uh, Kiran Island, its name is. And over there is a castle, the ruins of castle, not a castle. So they decide to go on a camping over there, and they found out that there is treasure hidden under the castle ruins. So, and that is how like all the adventure. So yeah, that, and it's really amazing to read, and it's just so amazing and adventurous. If you like adventurous book, I totally recommend this. So my fourth favorite book, it's Famous Fi, yeah, again. And this is Fi Go Off to Camp. In this book, they probably go to camping, and this is the seventh book. That was the first book. So this is the seventh book in the series. It has total 21 books. So in this book, they go to camping, and they found out that they're like in the night, they hear sound of like a train, but they found out that there is no train working, and it's all about, and the people over there think like this is a ghost train. So at night uh, they decide to go and check it out, like who is really behind all this. So yeah, and it's really fun book. So it's really fun to read if you like adventurous spooky things. It's for you guys. Then there is my second favorite book. This is The Land of Stories, A Grim Warning. This is the third book in the series, and yeah, this is my all-time favorite book because in this book, Connor and he goes to Germany, and over there, Bree, Connor, and Emerge, they all go to Fairy Tale World, and they have to warn Alex that the Grande army from like 200 years ago, they were trapped in this portal, and now they will be coming because the 200 years are over. And now it's all about how they prepare to fight the Grande army. Then the fight takes place, and yeah, it's just so amazing. I love the part in this where they explore Germany and go to Paris, and all this is, yeah, that's the favorite part of mine. And the series is also amazing, so you should check it out if you wanna. Then my first favorite book, it's Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. Yeah, the series is really great, but the reason it's my fifth favorite book is because in this book, Harry, Ron, and the reason it's my first favorite book is because in this book, Harry, Ron, and Hermione, they don't go to Hogwarts because they have to find the Horcruxes and destroy them, and they are in the hiding from Lord Voldemort. So yeah, and it's really fun of how all the adventure, and in this book, in the last, how Harry Potter and Lord Voldemort fights. That is really really amazing. But when this book ends, I wanted to read it again, but I don't know. I don't read it. So yeah, so this is why it's my first favorite book. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. And yeah, stay tuned for Tuesday. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, and I hope you guys like this video. So yeah, I upload every Tuesday and Friday, so stay tuned for Tuesday. And yeah, thanks for watching this video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So till then, adios.